To get the best out of your roses, you need to give them a healthy start at the beginning of the year to make sure they've got all the nutrients to produce all the flowers you need for the coming season. That is why in the late winter, early spring, I go about giving all my roses a feed and a mulch of well-rotted manure. The first step is to remove all of last year's dead leaves and ensure all the soil is nice and clean. This stops any of previous year's diseases carrying on to next. I then add a good rose fertiliser to ensure that all the roses have got a base level of nutrients in the soil at easy reach before they start growing. The mulch is a very good, dark and rich, well-rotted manure, which has got a lot of nutrients and the goodness that roses need to produce all those wonderful flowers. It's not easy to spread, but it's well worth it once you've got that covering on. Then it's a simple matter of just giving all the beds an even coating of mulch to about a depth of 1 inch or 2 to 3 centimetres. And then the roses are all set for the summer ahead, ensuring they've got all that nutrients they need to produce the flowers that we so much enjoy.